up, guys? So a little change of plans. I don't know if you can hear me, but the waterfall park that we were supposed to go to was George W. Childs Park in the Poconos, and they're actually closed because there was a terrible storm, so they're all completely closed. So we are at Raymondskill Falls at the moment. It's pretty cool here, as you can see. We're at the upper falls right now, on top of the waterfall. As you can see, there's some trees down and stuff, so you can definitely tell they have a pretty bad storm. Last time I was here, this platform actually wasn't here. There was one that was way lower, and I was able to climb over and go sit on top of the waterfall right over there. But obviously I can't do that now because of this. But yeah, we're gonna head to the lower falls next. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you can feel the mist. Sorry. Wow. Look how incredible. I have a few pictures sitting on those rocks over here because, like I said before, these newer fences weren't up yet, so we were able to climb right down there, which honestly, I'm gonna try and do, because why not? Breaking some walls, going around the fence. Oh yeah, look, so you can actually see where the path was before to go there. Oh, she's breaking the rules. Also guys, I got these sandals at TJ Maxx. They're Merle brand, and they're fantastic. It's a little slippery. Wow. It's a little slippery. Alright, we're gonna go down there. Breaking the rules part 2. I like this. Oh. So you can kind of see a path. Huh? You can kind of see a path. Oh, yeah. This is one of my favorite parts because waterfalls are so awesome, and you can go right up to them. You can swim here. You're not technically supposed to, but that's okay. Oh my god! And look at this too. Be careful of somebody come drive to get us 3 hours away, but it's cool. We're good. I'm going to give you guys an overview of the amazing falls that we're at right now. shout out to that little man over there ruining all of my pictures. Love you. Oh, this is pretty. Got a cute little waterfall here. Oh. It's a cute little one. So there's trees down literally everywhere. Like there's tons of them. You can see all the way up there. All of these. This is pretty. It's another part of the park. Stream.